Micaela from Airstream DFW. Welcome into our air-conditioned showroom. It is 109 degrees here in Fort Worth, Texas. We are melting, but luckily we've got this nice AC inside. And I'm standing here in front of a 2026 year-end closeout, Flying Cloud, 23 front bed. This is gonna be the lounge model, you guys. Now, you've seen the international lounge, but we haven't had a chance to do a walkthrough on the Flying Cloud lounge. So these are gonna be really similar layouts, but a little bit different features. So let's go through this thing. Also, I'm gonna have a guest appearance at the end. So please, if you can make it through this entire video, you'll get to meet my friend Jeff and hear a little bit more about his segments you'll start seeing on our YouTube channel. So come on, let's check this thing out. So here, starting on the patio side, let's just talk about a few things that we're seeing on this side. We've got our patio awning. So this awning is gonna come out about 8.5 foot. You've got your tankless water heater and then your little plug as well. We've got some outside storage here in the front. Flying Cloud is not gonna have a lift kit like a Tradewind, but just to let you know, our service department can add this on. Okay, come with me, let's check out the front. This is gonna be some standard stuff, you guys. 23 foot actually has some really great outside storage. You've got this nice big compartment in the front. 2 propane tanks here. These are gonna be 30-gallon tanks. Now, this is a dual axle trailer, so you're gonna get those bigger propane tanks here. We've got an electric tongue jack. Now, when you are, let me pause and just tell you this. When you are looking at a 23 foot, you're gonna have a few different trims to choose from. So Flying Cloud is gonna be this entry level trim, but we're still getting some upgrades that you don't see on like a Bambi in a single axle or a base camp in a single axle. Electric tongue jacks. We've got lithium batteries, 200 amp hours, 300 watts of solar here, guys. So a ton of features, even though it's kind of your entry level. If you go back and watch my other video on the same layout, that's an international, you'll see some things added on like power awning and power stabilizing jack. So just kind of keep those things in mind as we go through all these features. All right, let's check out the other side. Okay, this is a twin model, so you're gonna have outside storage on all 3 sides, right? So an additional storage compartment here, and then of course you've got your power hookup. This is a 30 amp service, 30 amp because we've only got a 1 AC on a 23 foot model, you guys. Then of course it's a 2026, so you're gonna have this Ethernet plug already pre-wired to do Starlink and this. Actually, I'm a little curious. For you guys that are already using Starlink, are you still using the router and your dish setup outside, or is everybody using a Starlink Mini now? I'm very curious to see what you guys have to say, so tell me what you're doing in the comments below. Okay, keep coming with me. Let me show you some other things. We've got an outdoor shower with hot and cold water. This does come with a shower head, you guys. It's a little quick connect, super easy to use. We still have an awning up here on this side. These are a little shorter, just to give you some shade over the windows, but this awning package was an option upgrade on a 23 foot, so y'all can add that on. 2027 will come with it standard, so be thinking about what you want to do on yours. Okay, check out the rear with me. You can kind of see what the awning looks like here. You've got it open. Flying Cloud does this nice light gray. And then of course, a Flying Cloud is going to have this rear bumper storage as well. And remember, if you want to do bike racks, that Fiamma bike rack, you need this rear bumper storage. So, okay, let's check out the inside. Okay, so we're inside the Flying Cloud 23 foot. Right here at the front is your battery disconnect and all your lights. These do have dimmers, so you can dim the entire cabin of this particular trailer. Then this door right here is your bathroom. And you guys, 23 foot, remember those odd 2333s have this rear bathroom that's so nice and roomy. You get a ton of storage, a nice sink, big open window in here. Your shower sits away from the toilet. Plenty of space between the toilet and the shower, and a lot of room for storage. So if you don't mind losing your windows of a 25, 23 does make that up for having all those panoramic windows and a really nice roomy bathroom. Pantry storage here. Now this is one kind of upgrade you don't see on a single axle, but the smallest dual axle 23 foot has a nice pantry. You've got storage above, nice big cabinets. These are great for your pots and pans and dishes. Nice big square sink, but still maintaining that nice amount of counter space. Good storage up under here, and you actually have drawers in this space that hold your utensil, little utensil drawer as well. So they've really used this nicely. You've got a small trash can here if you like to keep your trash can inside your camper. They still made room for that. And then a three burner stovetop with lights and a vent. Even though this is entry level, we're still getting that vent out, which is very nice, and a convection microwave. So same thing as the awning package. This used to be an upgrade. I think 2027s are gonna have them included. So just be looking out, and when you're shopping, watching your MSRP sheets and seeing everything that's coming in the ones that you're buying, especially as we get to the end of the year here and people start really losing a lot of their 2026 stock, and you start looking at 2027s, there's some things to differentiate. Then of course, this is the new lounge. So instead of that U-shaped dinette that we used to have, now you've got this nice couch setup. So this will pull out and make a bed. You've got these adjustable tables that move all around and can be removable as well. So a lot of versatility here that you did not get on the U-shaped dinette. So let me know which one you like better. We carry both in stock. Okay, so let's look at storage now. So as you kind of move here through this living area, I really like to describe a 23 foot as like a studio apartment. We're kind of all in one space, but it's very laid out well. You've got a nice big fridge, so you'll notice this is a bigger fridge than what you see in a single axle. Instead of just having the little dorm size fridge, you also get a freezer here down below, with tons of room for ice trays, tons of room for frozen items as well, and even a little storage above. Now, my favorite part of a 23 foot, you get a huge hanging closet. Either way, whether you choose a twin bed in a 23 foot or a queen bed, you're still gonna get a nice big closet, lots of good hanging storage. You've got a light in here and a nice shelf to fit two people's belongings very easily. Now we're in the bedroom. This is a nice roomy space when you're doing twin beds. Like I said, you can do a queen, just remember it runs east to west, right? So you won't have this nice pretty middle walking space. You do have a TV back here in the bedroom that will swing all the way out and face in towards the living room. So if y'all are relaxing on that couch, you still can watch TV from here if it's a rainy day or something like that. So these mattresses are just the same length as what's in a 25 and a 27 foot. So nice and roomy here. You get a nice hanging closet additional if you do the twin bed. And then all of your climate controls are back here in the bedroom as well. Let me show you this nice little nightstand here. So you've got a nice big drawer to keep everything you need, and plugs, plug in your phones, CPAP machines, whatever you need back in the back. Now, this is new enough 2026 that you are gonna get the drawers instead of the cabinets. This is a big one, guys. Everybody is loving these drawers, and I know why. So much easier to get in and out of. So you have two on each side of the bed. This is a twin feature, so keep that in mind as you're deciding. Come on, let me introduce you to my friend Jeff and tell you about a few things we have coming up here at the dealership soon. So I'm sitting in my favorite model, the 2026 Tradewin, with my friend Jeff Bonner, who is starting out his series, Bourbon with Bonner. So I wanted to introduce all of my friends that are already following me to my friend Jeff. He works here in the store with me. We partner up all the time. You guys are gonna love this series. I know I'm kind of noisy and talk too much, but he's got some really great takes on Airstream. He's been in the business for 13 years. So you guys listen to his opinion on Bourbon and on Airstreams, and subscribe and follow Jeff and I here on our YouTube channel, Airstream DFW.
See you soon.